Hello, friends. Today, we are starting a very interesting topic: organizational structure of the human body. Just imagine, from a tiny atom to a complete human being. What a journey. Ready to explore? Let's begin. Hierarchy of life. First question: what is the smallest building block of our body? Wait 2 seconds as if waiting for answer. Yes, atom. Atoms join to make molecules. Molecules form organelles. Organelles form cells, and cells form tissues. Tissues come together to form organs. Organs work together to make organ systems. And finally, all systems together form a living organism. That means us. So you see, our body has a perfect step-by-step hierarchy. Chemical level. So tell me, what is the lowest level? Correct, chemical level. Atoms like oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen. We studied them in chemistry, right? When atoms bond together, they make molecules, like water, DNA, and proteins. These tiny things are the foundation of our body, just like bricks are for a house. If there are no bricks, can a house be built? No, exactly. Organelle level. Now imagine that a cell is like a factory. Inside this factory, there are different machines, called organelles. Nucleus, the boss, stores DNA. Mitochondria, the power generator, makes energy. Ribosomes, small robots that make proteins. ER and Golgi, transport and packaging departments. So, even inside one tiny cell, a whole city is working together. Amazing, right? Cell level. A simple question. What is the basic unit of life? Yes, cell. And can life exist without cells? Of course not. There are 2 types of cells: prokaryotic, simple, no nucleus, and eukaryotic, advanced with nucleus. Examples: muscle cells help in movement, neurons send messages, and RBCs carry oxygen. Every small cell does its own job, and together they run our whole body. Isn't that wonderful? A group of cells that work for the same function. Let's recall the main types. IA, muscle tissue, helps in movement. Nervous tissue, sends messages. Epithelial tissue, covers and protects surfaces. Connective tissue, supports and connects body parts like blood and bone. See, all cells work together like a team. A body is the best teamwork example. Organ level. Now tissues come together to make organs. For example, heart pumps blood. Lungs take oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Kidneys filter waste. Stomach digests food. If one organ fails, like the heart, what happens to the whole body? Exactly. Everything gets disturbed. That's why keeping our organs healthy is very important. Organ system level. An organ system means a proper team of organs working together. Respiratory system brings oxygen. Respiratory system carries blood, gases, and nutrients. Digestive system breaks down food and gives nutrients. Our body has a total of 11 systems. Just like in school, teamwork is important. In the body too, organs work together like a perfect team. Teamwork always wins. Pause. And finally, the highest level, organism. When all systems work perfectly together, a complete living being is formed. That's us. From atoms, molecules, organelles, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, organism. That's the beautiful journey from the smallest particle to life itself. Isn't that fascinating? So friends, this was the organizational structure of the human body. Now, tell me, which level did you find most interesting? Write it in the comments. And yes, if you like this lecture, do like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next class with another amazing topic. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Till then, keep learning and exploring.